Hey guys, so I decided to stay late at the office to get my PC ready, and we're gonna do the power supply right now. So we have a Thermaltake 600. It's supposed to be a smart, I'm not sure what that means. And it's ultra quiet, awesome. Continuous power, awesome. 5-year warranty, also awesome. 80 plus, so that means it's got 8% efficiency. And power supplies are kind of boring. So, power board, we've got screws, which we'll use. There's actually one in the case still, as you can see right there. Zoom in. And the power supply itself is not a component power supply. I suck at these things. So I had a call come through. It was my boss, but that allowed me to get the power supply out of the package. So I'm going to put in the 4 screws off camera, and it'll be jammed right in here, and I'll be right back. There, that's what it'll look like. And once your power supply is installed, it only takes 4 screws. You're in a not so good screwdriver like this one, which is now kind of broken because I put too much tape. It comes apart like that, but it spins. So now, next course after this, I'll be installing the hard drive over here, and then I'll throw in one of the CD-ROMs here, which I have, which is these guys right there. And I'm going to be installing the motherboard and processor this evening. That's another video, I hope. So thanks for watching the power supply install and unboxing. Not necessarily in that order.